Let's go this way. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, Caesar. Yeah, Max. Let's go. Where's my kitty? Max, Max, Max. Don't make pee-pee on the motorcycle. No. Yalla, come. Where's Kasey? He's coming. Let's go. It's nice outside. For this group, I have to stay in this one block because Max has his own personal boundaries. He doesn't like to go outside of this block. Then I'll lose him. I mean, he knows where he's going, but I mean, he won't be with us. Oops. Sorry, Kasey. Don't get by my leg. Be careful. Where's Max? Max! Max! Yalla. Come. Yalla. Hey, sweetie. Hey, sweetie. Who's that pretty girl? That's what Caesar does best. Caesar, bus, bus, bus. Shh. Good girl, sweetie. Good girl. That's a good girl. Good girl. Caesar. Caesar. Bus. Caesar. 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 Bus. Enough. I just lost my shoe. I was walking backwards and I hit this with my foot and my shoe popped off. Oh. Okay. Hi, sweetie. What's up, pretty girl? What's up, pretty girl? Oops, gotta dig. What's up, pretty girl? We got two more friends. Ah, it's a love fest. MashaAllah. Alright. We're almost... Oops! Kasey gets by my feet sometimes. Hi, Max. Hi, Max. Habibi. The big boy. Oops. Scared about the cats. As you can see, there's a lot of light in this street. There's a bunch of light poles that go all around. Okay, I'm gonna hit stop because it's 6 minutes. And WhatsApp stopped the last video just after 6 minutes. Say good night, Caesar. Good night. Good night, everyone. Good night. And there's home.